Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable ZipArchive in Cpanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmake it. So first of all, open your Cpanel and then search PHP and then open PHP peer packages. Find the PHP extensions and application package. Search here PHP, then click on go. And from this list, search PHP archive. Once you get it, click on install. So here you can see this extension has been installed. Now go back. Now open your Cpanel again. Again search PHP. Then click on select PHP version. So from this list, search zip. So here is zip. Make sure this is selected. So select this zip file. So that's it for now. If you find this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmake it. Thanks for watching this video.